አንተ ካለ ኤክስፒሪየንስ ማለት ነው ብዙ ሾዎች አዘጋጅተሃል የአዶናይ ቱር how do you think it's going to end up
I feel like already አንተ ቱር መነሻው ነው መጨረሻው ነው የሚገልጽ
okay
like so the first how we set the first tone ነው ገባ ሌላውን ሾውንም ምን ቅርጽ የሚያስይዘው እሱ ነው ለዛ ነው ይሄኛው ኢቨንት ከአዳራሹ ጀምሮ it makes sense right obviously you like the venue
በጣም
one of the top venue in DMV used to not in DMV ብቻ ሳይሆን throughout the states is one of the iconic venue
really
ብዙ ሰዎች ባንተ ደግሞ የሚማሩ ሚድኑ ብዙ ነገር as younger you are you influence so many young older all kind of people
yeah
so I think this kind of stage is much needed throughout the states now DMV ብቻ ሳይሆን throughout the state to do that demo ይሄኛው የመጀመሪያው show very important that's why we have to do the right way the right preparation we don't have a lot of time obviously we only have like a very short window
even የቲያትሩ እንትን እኮ በቃ ተገርሞ ነበር how are you guys going to do
ምን እንዳለኝ ታውቃለች I've never did an event ማንም ሰው ለዛ 6 months book አድርጓል this is kind of for us
እኛ የመጀመሪያ ነን
this is not only 6 months this is like on dress gonna it's not really set we haven't really started promotion yet
3 ሳምንት በ3 ሳምንት ነው ያደረገ
ገባ
10 days
we got 10 days
we only got still gonna promotion obviously posted a video tonight but actual flight was but then this week
proper production አልተጀመረም
properly